friends, I am Rohan. To create virtual desktop in Windows 11, click on virtual desktop button in taskbar, or you can press Windows plus tab key on your keyboard. Then select new desktop. You can rename it by clicking on desktop name. Like this, you can create other desktops as well and rename them. Also, you can change background of individual desktop. Simply right click on desktop and then choose background as per your choice. You can do it in other windows as well. Unfortunately, this option is not available in Windows 10. Like this video and subscribe to our channel Code Pointer for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.
Audio